他觉得能够在场上献技，他觉得非常享受。这是他昨天能够出来他的第一个印象。
那目前自己整体调整的状况
Overall, how's the adjustment?
It's good. You know, just with the quarantine this year, everything is a little different. So, you know, just trying to slowly make progress every day. But I thought yesterday was a good start.
因为疫情，所以所有棒球的这个训练方式都因此而改变。不过还是要面对它，调整它。看起来昨天是在调整的轨道里面，他觉得昨天是满意的。
今年的定位可能会有一些改变，变成后援。对自己这个部分，他的想法是
You may have a new role as a reliever. How you feel about the change?
Honestly, I'm just excited about helping the team out any way I can. If it's being a reliever, if it's being a starter, any way I can help the team out, I'm all for it. So I just want to show up and do the best I can to help my team win games, regardless of my role.
身为团队的一份子，只要教练团有给他任何任务，不管是先发或者后援，他都会全力以赴。只要还能够在场上，他一定会在为了这个比赛，他一定会把自己做好。
这个是他在中职的第3支球队，这次再回来是抱着什么样子的心情
This is the third team you join in CPBL. How you feel about this returning?
I'm excited to be back. You know, Taiwan has been a special place in my life and in my family's life. So to have a chance to come back and to interact with a new team and to have new teammates and compete and just be a part of the league is a very neat experience. So I want to take advantage of it and try to do the best I can to stay here as long as I can.
陈虎是投的比较挣扎一点，控球、好坏球都太明显了。那其余的投手都表现得还不错。然后打击方面，先发的球员，状况都感觉表现都还不错，大概是这样子。对，那思琪今天那一支短打后面才有那10分吧，所以今天的短打也确实的做的蛮确实的这样。对，
因为去年周思琪去年其实有2次然后所以那次短打算是今天就比较
对，除了思琪以外，当然思琪都要做执行这个战术了，那其他的野手当然机会会更多嘛。对啊，所以要更谨慎的，教练下达的暗号就要确实的执行。